Next time, we're going to be test fitting the engine. So basically that was a fucking lie. So I actually did test fit the engine, and upon reviewing the footage of taking it off the hoist, putting it in the engine bay, checking the fitment of all the parts, I was trying to find a nice way of editing it all together when I realized it's just not interesting. I'm still obviously trying to figure out this whole YouTube thing, and with that comes figuring out what is and isn't interesting to you guys. So in lieu of some footage of me using an engine hoist to put an engine into the god-awful looking shell of my Skyline, today we're going to be going ahead and making it look a little less awful. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be cleaning up the engine bay. What that means is we're going to get rid of the janky asshole. We're going to be cleaning up all the holes in the engine bay that aren't supposed to be there. We're going to get the engine bay into primer, which is my first time ever spraying primer. Moving forward for now, it's going to be a little more structured. I already have footage for the next episode shot, and I just need to edit it all down. Basically, we've been doing a lot of body work to the car and priming it, and I just wanted to find a way of showing it to you guys in a nice, concise way, so I'm not showing you an hour-long video of me sanding the car. That being said, sometime this month, we will be hopefully painting. So overall, I'm just doing my very best to keep everything as interesting as possible for you guys. That being said, I could really use you guys' feedback on the videos, anything that you'd like to see, anything that you don't want to see, things like that. You can let me know down in the comments, and be sure if you're actually enjoying these videos to comment, like, and subscribe. I noticed that overall, 90% of the people watching this are currently not subscribed. It would actually do me a huge favor if you're enjoying the content if you just click the subscribe button, like right now. Like now. All right, now that we have that taken care of, we're just gonna get the video started. I'll see you in there. There's some things that we're gonna have to do, like this battery tray spot needs to be removed. Well, this hole we're actually gonna patch up because the new intake comes here and goes down. So we're gonna need to cut a hole here. We're gonna patch that stuff like that up. Before the series started, I was shaving down the seam sealer to get a little more flush and nice looking. And we're just going to be doing things like that and just cleaning up around the bay. And then we'll prime it, sand it, and probably honestly prime it again. So we'll just get started on doing that. My dad using a pair of scissors, trusted with them for the first time. Wow, you're good at crafts, Dad.
Yes, son. It's a skill I learned in craft school. Okay, we've got a little welding trick for you here. When you've got a big gap like here in sheet metal and it's really hard to weld, use a piece of brass. It keeps the steel cool, and the weld doesn't stick to it, so you can make a nice flat weld and fill in wide gaps.
Here we go. This is the first round of primer. I'll probably end up going over it with black sometime during the week. But I'm pretty proud of myself. It's my first time using a spray gun. I don't actually see any runs anywhere, which is cool. Big thanks to my dad, Chris, for teaching me how to use the spray gun and everything and get it all set up and all that. And yeah, that's about it. And I'll see you guys next time. A little surprise this weekend. It turns out that while I was gone, my dad sprayed the second coat of primer onto the engine bay. If you're still watching this late in the video, thanks for sticking around. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. If you're looking to do a little more for me, the only thing else you could really do is to follow me on Instagram and share this video with a friend. Thanks. See you guys next time.